Hi, welcome to my video, Chatmatic Review for Beginners, Easy Tutorial for 2021. Hi, my name is Bill, and what I want to do today is just go over a new software that I found called Chatmatic. In a moment, I'm going to share with you a software that can help you get free targeted leads. Stop paying for those ads, okay? Hold on. Let's get started. Chatmatic is a messenger bot. The maker of Chatmatic is Travis Stevenson. And let me show you what I found. Number one, the thing about Chatmatic that I truly like is that Chatmatic has a private group. So when you join or use Chatmatic, you become a member of this group. And there's a lot of training. And there's people there that truly help. This is not a group where people are posting spam and all those things. They don't tolerate that. But you get a lot of help. Let me just show you here. Here are the 3 basic videos that Travis actually shares. And if you go through these videos, you can figure out how to use the software. It's not that difficult, but you can figure that out. You just have to go through the training. And to prove that to you, this is my account. And these are all the bots that I have. So I'm under the impression that if I can do it, you can do it also, right? It's really simple. I'm going to create a quick bot, but I'm not going to do a template. I'm going to start off fresh just to show you how simple this is. These are some of the templates. Guys, he has a whole lot. I mean, it doesn't matter what your niche is. He has templates. So you don't have to start off. You don't have to start off at 0, but if you can, it's really simple. First thing I do is name my template. So I'm just going to call this test temp. Okay, and right here, these are called elements. When you click on this, this shows up over here, and these are your options. But with the element, you have to put something in the text. So I'm going to say hi. I'm going to put name. I'm going to go down. And to go down, you need to go right here, push down, and then you would go shift, enter. Shift, enter. It goes down. I am your virtual assistant. Stop right there. Okay, with Chatmatic, you have buttons. What a button is that I can put a URL. I'll put your link. It tells you how many characters. This is 20. You put the URL here. So I have a URL. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to save it. And over here, you see this? This is my link. Okay. You can put an image. I'm going to put an image here. You have choices. You can use your own. You can look something up. All right. You can use a GIF. I'm going to put funny. And this is built in. See down here? You just pick the one that you like. Use the dog. Not the best one, but okay. Now, okay, I'm still down here. You can put a video. The video, if you use a video, this could be your own personal video. You know what? Let me take this dog off of here. It's really distracting, right? You can use a video. With the video, it needs to be about 25 seconds. You can upload it on here. This could be yourself explaining something. You can use a carousel. So like if a person has an e-business or something, in the carousel, all you're doing is just putting, I'm going to go to a client. And there we go. And in this carousel, you can put a heading, you can put a description, and you can put a link. How the carousel basically works is that you can put as many pictures up there as you want. I'm just going to stop at 2. You can also save this as you go right here. You can save it right there. Okay, and with the carousel, if we go over here, there we go. But again, in order for me to make this good, what I would need to do is fill in the rest of the information, which would be a headline and a description. The link is optional. Okay, and then you can add text. You can put a delay. Let's just put a delay. I'm going to say 4 seconds. And notice how I'm putting everything. I'm selecting my element here, and it's showing up over here. See that? 4 seconds, and it's going to show the typing. You can use audios. You can use delays. I just showed you that. You can use user input. User input would be here, where your individual will have an opportunity to put in their own information. I mean, the good thing about this truly is it's all right here. Travis breaks it down and explains it all right here. So take your time and go through the training, definitely. So those are just a couple of the things that it can do. But what I want to show you, I'm going to go to this particular bot here. This is the one I built for a car dealership. Let's just take a quick look at this bot. Got a trigger. That's how the bot will be initiated. I'm going to go to Google Chrome Incognito. So I'm logged in, and here we go. Here's the bot. There's the logo I mentioned, remember? Here's this pausing. This is the carousel. Look at there. Go back. If a person clicks on this, it takes them to his website with the actual information. And all this can be done on a phone too, guys. This is fantastic. Now let's see what's next. Okay, so after the pause, this is the video. Remember I mentioned the video. It's 23 seconds. Actually, it's 29 seconds, so you can do about 29 seconds. But this is all done in a chat box. And the whole purpose in this particular case is to bring in customers, for this dealership. Not bad. That's a quick overview of Chatmatic. I really think it is a fantastic software. It's very easy to use. You got a lot of training from Traffic. He's constantly putting out training. He interacts in the group. It's not just a group for us to interact, for the people that are using his software. Travis is there from time to time. Fantastic. Travis, oh, by the way, Travis has been in business or has been online marketing for over 12 years. Or he's a 7-figure earner. He is in Russell Brunson's 2 Comma Club. He's the real deal. And his training, as I said, I love his training because, he's talking to us as adults. I mean, like if you need someone to hold your hand through the entire process, he's not going to hold your hand. He's going to show you how to do it because as an entrepreneur, we solve problems, right? Let's talk about that software that I mentioned that can save you a couple of dollars and you can get leads free. That software is called Social Prospector Professional or Pro. And what that software does is that it allows you, this is just the back office, this software allows you to actually build your list with targeted people. You probably saw some of the requests that I got while I was doing this video. So I have people that are communicating here. These are people that are targeted on Facebook. And the whole purpose there is to build my friend list around people that are like-minded. And then Travis also shows you, plus this young man, his name is Rodney, he shows you how you can take your profile, and actually make it into a squeeze page when someone clicks, because you're telling people to click. When they click, it takes them to your offer, to your link. That's basically it. I hope you liked the video. And if you did, please subscribe to the button below and also ring on the bell in the upper right hand corner to be notified of more videos that I will put coming out about marketing online, about my journey. Thank you very much for actually listening. Have a great day. Peace.